Hi there, hello, how are you? I hope you're doing absolutely amazingly. Today we are going to be opening up something that I am so damn excited for. I had this idea about a week ago and jumped onto Etsy and then just bought a bunch of Halloween mystery boxes. And I do know why, because I fucking love Halloween, but I kind of don't know why I did that. I did it for you, to be completely honest. So the first one that we have that has landed at my doorstep is from SpookyDoodleClub, and this one is called their Spooky Mystery Box. It's $19.99. I did pay $4.90 shipping. I can't recall if that was a flat rate or if that was like based on my zip code. It did come out of Minnesota, which is fairly close to me here in Michigan, so I don't know. And then I did, of course, pay tax on top of that as well. So in the end, this little pouch here is $26.38 for a little spooky mystery box. This was actually the cheapest of the three that I did end up picking up, and it was the cutest. Let me just pull it up. It doesn't tell you what's in it, you know, like examples, because it's a mystery box, so you're not going to get what other people have, but I went into the reviews and saw people had posted photos of their box. So it has 22,980 sales. It has nearly 7,000 reviews with like damn near all 5.0, because they have like a perfect 5.0 star rating. And I did smoke before this video. I was hoping that would help the room look a little bit hazier. No, I just had two stoner boxes to unbox, so I did those first. And then this is like what the examples of the shop look like. We have, I don't know, there's t-shirts. I don't think there's gonna be a t-shirt in mine. There's little artwork, prints, and different accessory things. So let's break into it and see what I got. Okay, so it looks like we have our little package of goodies right here, but then also there's a bunch of Halloween candy inside of the pouch. That was a super cute touch. Yeah, I have some gummy body parts. It's a brain. And a couple pixie sticks, and I think these are like mints maybe. I don't know for sure. You know, when I was doing this, I think I slightly recall thinking that it was a small artist. So I must have read that somewhere. I don't know. Oh my god. These are so cool. Okay, so first up on top, there are two pins, and I absolutely love a classic mushroom type print or pin or anything. It's just, I absolutely love that. And then this one is a possum, and I freaking love possums. We have a ton of them here around by me, and they are amazing little creatures, so that is so fun. Next up, I have a keychain, and it does say on here like SpookyDoodleClub by Elena Smith, and then her shop. I'll put her shop name and everything down below, obviously, but we have a keychain which looks like we have ghosts trapped in a jar as if they are an aquarium. That's so cute. And it's on both sides, and it has, look at down at the very bottom, it has a skull. It's like little attention to detail. I was really honestly hoping, because I had seen a bunch of the photos submitted by the reviews, that they included at least one pair of earrings, and I was hoping, because I didn't see any other sizes of mystery boxes on her shop, that I was also going to be able to get a pair of earrings. And how freaking cool are these, like neon green acrylic knives? Those are so cool. You know who these, this reminds me of is Bella Fiore. She does like true crime. She's an awesome storyteller, but she always has crazy earrings on, and these are the coolest. These are absolutely amazing. All right, so next up we have another keychain, and this one is like unicorn acrylic glitter Ouija board. The thing that you push around, it even has a little window. I'm dying. This is awesome. For 20 bucks, like seriously? Okay, now we're down to this little bundle, but I like legit, I can't figure it out. There we go. First up, we have a couple cards. So we have the Empress. I am so sorry, but I do not know anything about tarot, but these look like tarot cards to me, but I apologize because I know that is something that a lot of people are passionate about, and I just don't, I don't have the knowledge. I just don't. But it is a pretty print, and then the other one is the High Priestess. That one's really pretty as well. We have what looks like a little coloring thing. SpookyDoodleClub, welcome to the cult. Thank you so much for supporting my small business. I hope you love your order. Stay spooky, Elena. And then, oh, and she's SpookyDoodleClub on Instagram and SpookyDoodleGirl, but girl without the I, on Twitter. But it looks like a little coloring card. It's like a postcard, but it has, the more you look at it, the more you find. All right, next up we have a little booklet. It's like a little sketchbook. It says Book of Spells. And it's just a blank paper booklet here. That is so cute. I'm gonna say that 100,000 times. This is the cutest thing in the entire world. We have I thought this was a guitar pick for a second, a SpookyDoodleClub little heart, a little spooky skeleton guy. This looks like those things that you scratch to reveal the color, but it's actually a sticker. You can't scratch it anymore. This is a magnet. I thought it was another sticker, but it says only time will tell. And it is a magnet, but it has so much going on. It's like the arachnid and the skulls and the lunar, or the different moons. And yeah, it's another thing. If you keep looking, you're going to keep finding stuff. That was so damn cute. That was the cutest thing ever. I am so excited for my other two. Not because I think they're going to be better. Literally, they are all very different from one another. I did actually have some rhyme or reason to why I purchased the very specific ones that I purchased. I wanted it to be a mystery. I wanted it to be Halloween themed. I wanted it to be reasonably priced, which most of them are. I wanted the shop to have really good reviews because I don't want to encourage you in the manner of which I'm showing you to purchase something, nor do I want to shit on somebody's small business, because that's sucks. A lot of them even said like mystery box, but gave no clues whatsoever to what you would receive as far as it being themed or cutesy or edible or like stickers, like literally no information. So I definitely stayed away from those ones. This one, they had the different examples. The people all showed their different examples. I thought it was absolutely adorable. And then my other two are basically the same. Like they had examples of the photos and people had posted reviews of the photos and the reviews were absolutely glowing. So I think I will have something for everyone between the three for Halloween. And I hope it's not too early to start celebrating. And if it is, we're not friends. Kidding. I'm kidding. So that's it. Quick shout out to all my patrons for being absolutely amazing human beings over there and for the continued love and support. I want to say thank you to all of you for being here, to this Etsy shop, for putting together a sweet box. I'm accepting an Emmy now for putting together this sweet little package and hosting it, posting it over on Etsy, for YouTube for allowing me to post this type of content, but not some other type of content. I get yelled at for some of it. And please don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe before you leave. I truly, truly do appreciate it. I love you all so damn much, and I'll see you next time. Bye. I'm gonna get yelled at for having like that little bit in a video, right? They're gonna demonetize the shit out of me.